the last kick of white genocide. So there's this theory abayibiza ngokuthi the great replacement theory, yabo. So this great replacement theory ukuthi ama-white supremacists say ukuthi the white race is in danger, yabo. They claim ukuthi the white race is in danger of being replaced by non-whites, yabo. They claim ukuthi there's a genocide on white people, yabo. Obviously, dating is not only an issue here like South Africa. It's not only a problem here like South Africa. Yeah, but dating is a problem in New Zealand. Dating is a problem in Australia. Dating is a problem in Canada. It's a problem in France, and it's a problem in USA. Yeah, but so there's the rise of white supremacy. Yeah, but so like it's keep on. Dating is caused by the rise of white nationalism. Yeah, but ama white, but feeling ati abantu who are not white, babathathela i-country yabo. Yeah, so they're becoming more nationalistic, yabo. And then nakhona writing is also caused by Donald Trump, yabo, as a white supremacist and a leader of the strongest country in the world. He perpetuates white supremacist ideologies, and he says whatever he wants to say to whoever he wants to say to, yabo, without thinking of consequences, yabo. And the radical right babhekile writing, and they enjoy izinto ezikanje. Hence there's growing like white supremacy in the recent years, yabo. But this is the last kick of white supremacy. So the how do they recruit abantu, yabo? So the they prey on vulnerable people, yabo. So masithi like you are a white man and they will lose a scholarship to an Asian man, yabo. So that white man is shooting, the Asians are taking our scholarships, yabo. If masithi you're white and maybe ulahlekelwe umsebenzi to a black man, yabo. So yeah, yo, the blacks are taking our jobs, you understand? If nakona you're white and maybe you have ama neighbors who are not white, maybe you have ama neighbors who are Arab, or you have ama neighbors who are black or who are Asian, you understand? Still like they use lawo circumstances ukuthi yabo manje this black people are taking our neighborhoods, yabo. This Asians are taking like our scholarships and are taking our education opportunities, about these Arabs are taking our job opportunities, about these migrants are taking our things, about. So that thing is mostly is ihamba xenophobia, yabo. It's not just the white supremacy. It's white supremacy which goes hand in hand with xenophobia, yabo. So laba they preach hate in the name of self-preservation, yabo. They claim ukuthi these blacks are taking our jobs, yabo. So kumele abahambi, you understand? They claim ukuthi ama-Asians abathathela imisebenzi, ama-Asian abathathela ama-job opportunities, ama-Arabs abathathela ama-communities wabo. They're taking ama-communities of ama-American and Christians, and they're making lawo communities into ama-Arab and Muslim states, yabo. Like they're complaining nje ukuthi thina, everyone who's not white is trying to replace the white